Yo, what's up?
Okay, so I just visiting my brothers today, and then yeah, we passed the busiest city road. I mean, like in Jalan Tokuma. The road's still busy.
Actually quite busy. So that's how it looks, the situation, yeah?
So Damian will show you how it is the center of business in Bali nowadays.
Alright, so the only shop what is open here actually is Circle K. Well, not paid endorsement, however, this is the shop where you can buy drink and food. And everything like a Bata, which is shoe shops and stuff like this, they are closed. And also the new regulation is here as non-essential shops are... Yo, what's up? Non-essential shops are closed around. So basically this area is famous for the phone shops like a Samsung, Vivo, stuff like this. And also over there is the big shop with the phones. Everything is closed. So basically, if hopefully not, but if somebody stole my phone or is broken, I cannot buy the new phone and I'm without the phone. So that's actually weird, very serious problem, I could say, because the online shopping is not as developed here in Bali like in Europe, for example. So it's not as easy to buy the good phone online. So I don't really understand that. I hope so nothing gonna happen with my phones. But anyway, back to the topic. The traffic on the street is how it is. It's actually quite busy, I could say. People still honking, driving, crossing the street, but it's still quiet actually. Kinda busy, kinda quiet at the same time. I just wanna come closer to one of the big shops. Oh, this is some plants. Where is the shopping for the phones and stuff like this? As you see, they are closed, and they have a closed parking and stuff like this. There are some information center only, and that's it. But meanwhile, so many Gojek drivers, Grab drivers, the green uniforms, like this guy driving around, and that's what it look like life in Denpasar city. This is the Tokuma, the tech center. Also so many banks and stuff like this, and also the banks are closed, partly closed or closed. Mostly the main headquarters banks are only open, but the small banks are closed.
Okay, so now we are showing you how the road in Tokuma Street, as you know, that the busiest road in Bali, as famous for the center of business, the center of trade. I can say trade center in Bali, like Damian maybe already explained, selling phone shop, electronic shop,
like all the big shops, like main shops, like headquarters, like even sports shop or everything. And it's on the street in general. This is like a city center, tech city center, something like that.
Yeah. Okay, so on the left side, as you see the white building, it was used to be the bar. I mean, like the karaoke bar, and then it was closed, if I'm not mistaken, because of drug issues, something like that. And then yeah, it's closed. It's called AKASAKA, AKASAKA Club. Okay, so we are heading home now. Oopsie.
But the traffic here, this lady without helmet, but she have mask at least, so she's safe on the roads.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit sarcastic, but
nowadays mask is very important, right? Okay, so yeah, we are heading home. Well, basically that nowadays they are the big shopping. I mean, like they only offer you online service. Oh, Ibu. Jeez, she didn't see us. She just see in opposite way.
the driving here is little bit more, I could say maybe not difficult, but
more challenging.
More challenging and brings a little bit more emotions.
Yeah, basically that the non-essentials stores, like selling phones or selling shoes, selling clothes, has to be closed.
Almost everything what is not regarding the food or drink is closed. So
Yeah, like this one, Planet Gadget, one of the biggest store. You see, kami melayani penjualan online. So it means that they only have to serve online. Like this one, Cellular World also belanja online. So you have to buy it online. So if something happened to your phone, yeah, you have to buy it online. But yeah, I never buy something online, electronic actually.
Like, I used to buying online in Europe using Amazon or something because it works pretty well. But I heard story of people who buying online the phone and getting brick or potato or bag of nasi instead.
Yeah.
So I would be really not happy if I will buy the phone and I will get the brick instead.
Yeah, I think that I also read in one, I don't know, in social media that somebody bought drone online, but inside is the water bottle.
So
I don't know. I cannot trust.
On
So
the
this
right,
one iBox.
iBox, the iPhone shop, and
So
here is
on the right is the level 21 mall. I think that once we show it the mall, but unfortunately it's closed.
the actually traffic here is not as busy as it was last time that we used to make a vlog here.
Yeah, you see Bakmi GM on the right.
And it's closed. No
Yeah.
Bakmi here anymore.
Okay, so
This is like this building over here at the front is the headquarters of the one of the bank in Indonesia. So that's also very helpful. I think the headquarters are open, but
Yeah.
even if so, they probably work shorter hours. I mean, they closing earlier.
okay, so this one is RTC Mall, famous for the electronic shop mall. And yes, on the right side it is Mall Bali Ramayana, seems closed. Only supermarket is open. Yeah, this area is called Jalan, I forgot the name, but I pass it every single
We
day.
will put on the screen somewhere the
Okay.
name of the street.
Yeah, this road is also famous for watch. I mean, like if you wanna buy a nice watch, and also gold shop. You see on the left side, gold shop, Dunia Jam, sales and service. Like, yeah, you know, they have to be closed.
Obviously,
Like-
checking the time is not essential anyway. So that's
Yeah.
how it look like.
Yes, so this one is Jalan di Panagoro. Yeah, finally I got it. I pass it every single day, but I forgot the name. Yeah, so this is also part of the city center in Denpasar.
Here is
and
also the
seems
headquarters of
closed.
Yamaha if you're gonna buy the bike or something like that. But
Yeah. Yeah, this is how it is, right? Like this one famous for the shop clothes. And then yeah, if you are turning left, you will go to the we will go to turn right. So if you turn left, it will be famous for the gold shop. Unfortunately closed because gold is regarding non-essential needs, right? Okay, so now we will go to the city center of Denpasar. We will turn left.
then the traffic looks like it.
Traffic is just look like normal. People still mobile, still going like a normal. Yeah. Okay, so this one is the city park of Denpasar.
Yes, and we also made a vlog long time ago here, but at night. So now you have opportunity to see this during the evening. It's already still evening, still daytime.
Yeah, we've got that many questions. I mean, like many requests that can you show how Denpasar live during the PPKM? So yeah, this is the time.
This is the time.
Okay, so we'll turn left
This
here.
statue usually is also the fountain, so the
Yeah.
water decoration, but I think it's also switched off now.
Yeah. So now we are heading to the road to the Pasar Kumbasari. So the biggest traditional market in Bali. But yeah, I think that this is, if we go straight, yeah, this is the old city of Denpasar.
Yeah, this is the like old city. Denpasar.
Okay, so we'll turn left because this is a one-way road. Like I think that last time we make a vlog there.
Yes, we used to walk on this road when we make a vlog in the traditional market. However, we didn't show you much around, and I think it's actually quite interesting. Not many people showing around this area of Denpasar, so
yeah.
so enjoy.
Yeah, this road is also famous for Ole Holla. So you see on the left side, on the right side, Ole Holla shop. So yeah, basically that before the Krishna Ole Holla, long time ago, it was this area is famous for Ole Holla also. Okay, so now we are heading to like Jalan Hasanuddin, the center of gold shop. Yeah, as you see, people sitting outside because basically the shop, gold shop, has to be closed, right? But people are still sitting outside. Who knows that somebody are really in emergency that has to sell the gold. Alright, so this one on the left is the Denpasar Cineplex, the oldest cinema in Bali. So when I was young, I used to go there.
With who, sayang?
With my friends lah.
Are you sure only with friends?
Kind of. Okay, so now we are turned right. So this one is called Jalan Gajah Mada. As you see, this is like the old town of Bali. I mean, kind of old town of city center in Denpasar. You see, like the decoration. I mean, like the architecture of the building.
It's very
Still
unique.
very unique. Still like adopting the Dutch style. Yeah. Okay, this one it says Pasar Kumbasari still open. Yeah, obviously market has to be open, right?
But they're putting some fans here.
Yeah, they said there is a construction.
Alright.
Okay.
And we are going straight now, right?
Yeah.
And then we used to walk on the street, if you remember, but during morning time, and now it's afternoon time. And unfortunately, non-essential products shops are closed, which is most of them.
Yeah, this part of the road is famous for the textile shop. So yeah, if you wanna buy nice fabrics for making clothes, so this area is famous for that. Alright, so here we go. We will go straight. Yeah. Yeah, so this area is called Lapan Puputan Badung Igusti Ngurah Made Agong. Yeah. So this is the 0 point of Denpasar.
Like a center.
The center of Denpasar. And also this one is the biggest, I mean not the biggest temple, but the temple in the city center, Pura Jagannatha Temple. On the right, yeah, unfortunately closed. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Just little bit short update about the city center in Denpasar.
I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Even it's from Denpasar, but for many people may be interested. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and like always, see you tomorrow guys.
Bye! Stay safe!